Hi, my name is Isabella. I'm a fourth year student at the Kinesiology and Health Study programs here at the University of Windsor. I've been into sports my whole life and kind of like really intrigued me since I can remember. So it was kind of like an easy choice for me. I always loved learning about the body, how to improve on the court, in my case because I play basketball. I definitely have learned a lot more about the body, which I expected, but also the opportunities that I've gotten beyond just the classroom. So getting into research since I was a first year student. I was part of the Outstanding Scholar program, so I've been getting more than just what you would expect in the classroom. That's where I'm going. And definitely even through the community that we have here in Windsor, like specifically to kinesiology, the HK Society makes sure that your transition into university is easy, and then later on the opportunities that come through connections via the profs or people that you get to know are huge. So in that sense, they surpass what I initially expected. When you have a supportive coach, you can perform a lot better. It's the same here. So professors, since your first year, make a point of making sure that you know that they are there for you. We're given with a unique opportunity here at the University of Windsor because of the direct hands-on experiences that you get, exposure to athletics, the family environment that we have at the Department of Human Kinetics. So it's quite unique. You don't find that anywhere else. I would say not to take it for granted and to really get as much as you can out of it. And the sky's the limit when it comes to whatever you can pursue after. Thrive in human kinetics at UWindsor.